Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the pirate's answer to Grog, which was called Bumbo, or Bumbo, or Bumbo. The first thing we're going to do in order to make a Bumbo number one is add our rum. And I'm going to put 2 ounces of rum in. I've got Appleton Estate Signature, which is going to be just fine. Like I said, pick a rum that you like. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Next, 2 ounces of water. 2 ounces, 60 milliliters. Next, the lime juice, which is in the fridge, so I'm going to grab it and be right back with you. Lime juice in hand, we're going to put in ½ an ounce of that, and ½ an ounce is 15 milliliters. Fresh squeezed, of course, which is why it's in the fridge. Next, sugar. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 2 teaspoons is 10 milliliters. And I'm using a demerara sugar. Most recipes call for a darker sugar. Probably not a full dark, light dark. Finally, the seasonings. Most recipes call for cinnamon, so I'm going to put in 2 pinches of that. And a pinch is one of those measurements. And then nutmeg, 1 pinch of that. Fresh grated if you can get it. We're going to add our ice to our shaker. And pirates don't mind that I'm using my hands, just so you know. And give it a shake. Note that I'm going to shake it a little bit longer because I'm trying to incorporate the sugar. All right, hopefully that's good enough. I'm going to add a couple more ice cubes to my Collins glass. I'm going to strain the Bumbo in there. Because I'm not filling up the glass, and this is a Collins glass, I'm going to add a little bit more of my ice. Top it off. Ta-da! Add a straw and add a garnish. And most garnishes online are all over the board, almost entirely fresh fruit. I've got some blackberries I'm going to put in there on a little skewer. You can use a toothpick. You can put them right in there if you want. You can add other fruit if you have them. I'm using blackberries because my wife likes them. Just put that in like that. And there you have it. Bumbo number one. Drink with good spirits.